The Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia has taken and continues to take massive damages due to ocean acidification. The pH of the ocean has gone up, becoming more acidic due to the climate change, especially global warming, where the excess carbon dioxide is getting trapped in the oceans and transforming into carbonic acid. The oceans are becoming more acidic, and life that lives has been greatly affected, especially coral reefs, which are experiencing bleaching because of the warmer oceans. The Great Barrier Reef has become more and more vulnerable, with ocean temperatures rising, causing more and more of the reefs to become bleached. This year, the southern region of the reef has had a lot of bleaching, even though in previous years it has not been affected. Since coral reefs are an integral part of oceanic life, providing shelter and food, the bleaching will greatly change aquatic life. They won't die right away, since bleaching isn't corals dying but a stress response, but they are not recovering as fast as they are dying, so ecologically it is not sustainable. Communities will continually be affected negatively, it seems, unless there are huge changes made by humans. Severe bleaching at the Great Barrier Reef usually occurred during El Niño years, but in 2020 it occurred without it, hinting that the oceans are now just naturally warmer. The only solution would be to pass new climate change policies and try to reverse the adverse effects. The coral isn't dead yet, they're just responding to the warmer oceans and acidity.